Welcome back, children. We will continue our chapter how the state government works with a new topic, working of government. Children, in the last class you have learnt about how the state government is formed, right? Now what are the points for the discussion? Today we are going to discuss about a debate in Legislative Assembly. A debate in Legislative Assembly, then role of media, role of people in democracy. So, these are the important concepts that we are going to discuss. Okay, children. Children, first we are going to study about a debate, how a debate is taking place and where the debate is taking place. Okay, a debate is taking place in Legislative Assembly, right? You remember? You remember what is Legislative Assembly? Legislative Assembly is a place where all the MLAs from the opposition as well as the ruling party MLAs, they meet together and discuss and debate on various issues. Am I right? Yes. Now, so this is Legislative Assembly is a place called Legislative Assembly. You can see rows and rows of desks and the MLAs are seated. Then they will discuss on various issues, right? And do you know, children, which building is this? Yes, this is Kerala Legislative Assembly. Where is this situated? In Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, right. Now, we will start the debate. Okay, let us see how the debate is happening in Legislative Assembly. Children, this debate is based on the issue of Pattalpuram district. We have learned or seen the story about the Pattalpuram districts. People were suffering from diarrhea and many people died over Pattalpuram district, right, due to shortage of drinking water, clean drinking water. So, based on that topic, the discussion is going on in the Legislative Assembly. The debate is happening here. So, let us see what are the MLAs saying about the issues. Okay. Now, this is given in page number 35, 34 and 35. Okay. You can refer page number 34 and 35. Children, here you can see many MLAs seated and MLA 1. So, MLA 1, he represents Akhandagaon. MLA 1 represents Akhandagaon constituency. Okay, Akhandagaon constituency. And he said that there were 15 people died due to diarrhea. He says that 15 people were died due to diarrhea in his constituency and he demands the government to take immediate action to control the situation. Okay, he is demanding the government to take immediate action. Then MLA 2, see this is MLA 2. MLA 2 says that doctors are not appointed. There are very less number of doctors. Doctors and medical staffs are not appointed by the governments. So, the medical facilities are not provided there. So, and he wanted to know the plans, future plans of government. What are the steps the government is going to take on this issue? Government has to appoint more doctors and medical staff and he is also blaming the government for not appointing the doctors and medical staff. Then what about MLA 3? You can see MLA 3. Yes, MLA 3, he belongs to Tolpati constituency, and he says that serious water shortage issue is there in his constituency. There is serious water shortage issue. So he is asking the government to do what is needed. So he asking again, questioning the government when the water supply is, when the government is going to provide water supply, clean drinking water. Then he is also asking how many wells and rivers are cleaned. Okay, he is asking the government to clean the water sources. Then because these water sources are all got polluted. The MLA 4, where is MLA 4? Yes, here is MLA 4. What MLA 4 is saying? He is supporting the government. He is saying that my colleagues, they are blaming, simply exaggerating the story, simply exaggerating the issue. So government is doing all the necessary things. Okay, so he is supporting the government. Now MLA 5, where is MLA 5? Here is MLA 5, and MLA 5 again says that poor facilities are there in hospitals. The hospitals are not provided with the good facilities. So government has to take immediate action, okay, for good measures to provide good facilities in the hospitals, government hospitals. He is also complaining. Now MLA 6, again MLA 6, here MLA 6 also supporting the government. He says that the government is doing all things for the people and the Pattalpuram district. Okay. Now from this conversation, from this debate, you can understand who all belong to the ruling party MLAs and who all are the opposition party MLAs, right? The opposition party MLAs, see MLA 1 opposition party, then MLA 2, then MLA 3 and MLA 5. They are all opposition party MLAs, right? So opposition has a vital role, opposition has a very important role in the state government, right? They can express their opinion on certain issues, they can express their opinion in the legislative assembly, and they can ask questions to the concerned ministers, okay, about certain issues. Then they can also give suggestions, they can give suggestions on what should be done by the government. Okay. So these are the roles of the opposition. So opposition and the ruling party MLAs together work for the government. Okay. Now Council of Ministers, you know what who are Council of Ministers, right? You have learnt in the last class, and they are answerable. The concerned minister, here in this debate the health minister is responsible, right? So the concerned minister is answerable to the legislature, according to the issues. Okay. So all the ministers are responsible to the legislature, means all the MLAs in the legislative assembly, they have to explain, they have to respond to the questions asked by the MLAs. Then again they have power to take action. See, this ministers, chief minister and the ministers have given power. So they are the executive part of the government, they have the power and they can take actions, they have given the power to take actions. Okay. They have given power to take actions on various issues. So health minister can take action. Then they have to convince the people that proper actions are being taken. They have to convince the people, the representatives, okay, The MLAs are the representatives of the constituency, the people in the constituency. So, they have to convince the people through the MLAs, okay, that the proper actions are going to be taken. Then they have to respond the media. Then what is the next function duty of the Council of Ministers? Council of Ministers have their own duties, okay children. They are answerable to the legislature, then they have power to take action on different issues, then have to convince the people that the proper measures or steps are being taken. Then they also have to respond to the media by holding press conference, okay. They have to respond to the media by holding press conference. Now, we will see what is press conference and what is the role of media. Okay, media has a very important role in a democratic government. Okay, media is the fourth pillar of democracy. Now, let us see. Children, you can see the press conference. Okay, it's happening here in the picture, press conference. Ministers hold press conference. The concerned ministers are responsible to invite the journalists, reporters from different newspapers and TV channels, okay, and they are invited in the press conference from different medias, and they will be present during the meeting, and the concerned minister has to respond to the questions. The media people, they can ask questions, and the ministers need to respond to that. Okay, ministers have to explain what are the steps, what are the future plans that the government is going to take. Okay, now they have to convince the media, right? Now, role of people in a democracy. So, children, people has the supreme power in a democracy. People are the main authority in a democracy, because people choose their own representatives. They elect their own representative by casting their vote, right, in election. And so, they are the ultimate power. Then they can elect their representatives. See that people has the supreme power, then they elect their representative from each constituency, then their own choice. Okay, now they can express their opinions about the work of the government. So, definitely they can express their opinion about the work of the government. They use different medias to express their opinions, right? They express their opinions through medias. Then they demand actions to be taken by the government, and people also express their opinions through MLAs. We have seen in the debate in the legislative assembly. So, they can also demand the actions to be taken by the government. Then people can demand the government to take actions immediately. Now, they also organize meetings to protest against the government. Okay, they can also conduct meetings or big protest. You can see the protest is in the picture. Okay, the people can protest against the government. Then media sets the mind of the people, right children? Media has a very important role. They set the mind of the people, and they provides a platform for the public to express their opinion about the government, about the work of the government. If the government is not functioning well, okay, so they can express their opinion and they can protest against the government. This is how the state government function. Okay children, state government works. And let us see the steps taken by the government after the debate to solve the issues in Pattalpuram district. So, we have seen the debate, okay, on Pattalpuram issues like water shortage issues and diarrhea, okay, death due to diarrhea. So, how the government solve these issues? Let us see. what is the first step after the debate? The concerned minister, that is the health minister. Health minister, the health minister held a press conference. Okay, the health minister invited the press, media, and the health minister explained the various plans and schemes, various steps, measures taken to control the situation. Okay. Now, after that, chief minister and health minister together they visited Pattalpuram district. Okay, Pattalpuram district. They visited the families, affected families, and they visited the hospitals where the affected people are there, and they announced, the health minister and the chief minister together, they went to see the people in Pattalpuram, and they announced compensation to the affected families. Okay. Then this chief minister also assured to provide sanitation facilities and clean drinking water with the help of concerned departments. Okay. The chief minister assured the people that sanitation facilities and the clean drinking water will be provided to the people then. So, now what is government? The word government, in common usage we can say the word government refers to government departments. The word government refers to government departments and various ministers that head them. Okay. So, we can say government departments and the various ministers who head them is termed as government. And who is the overall head of the government? The overall head is the CM or the chief minister. CM is the chief minister. Chief minister, right? So, what do you mean by government? Government departments and various ministers who head them. Okay, and the overall head is the minister. Children, I hope all of you understood the points that we have discussed today. What are the points that we have discussed today? We have discussed about a debate in the Legislative Assembly. Then we have also discussed about the role of media. Then we have discussed about the role of people in a democracy. Children, so this is how a state government works. Hope all of you understood. With this chapter is over. Okay, children. Now you have to refer page number 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Okay, read the textbook thoroughly and underline the important points that we have discussed today. Okay, children, thank you.